Okay, so this particular clamp meter is very important. Why? Because on board the ship, most of the time, your clamp meter will only read AC amps, but this will read both AC and DC amps. So whenever you start the emergency generator, you put the clamp on the cable from the battery to the starter, then you will know how much current is drawn. Okay, same like light board also, same thing. So you clamp it to the wire, then you will be able to measure the AC amps for the motor. For the light board will be DC amps. Okay, right now you see here, right now it is already in the, you can select to AC to DC. Correct? And now when you put on the AC is running, you can put on the clamp here and you can see here. Okay, I'm going to put it here. You can see the amps coming here. Okay, on the red. And you can see now it is drawing 10 amps. Can you see that? 10. This is AC amps. Huh? But if it is through the battery, then you will switch over this to DC. Okay, so very important on board the ship. Please buy this when you go to the ship. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.